this is the Nebula Blue variant of the phone. There would be 3 colors, I think we're told. And this one is the top end version. So this comes with 12 GB of RAM and 256 GB of internal storage. Impressive. So let's crack the seal open and see what's what. Okay, let's rip off this plastic. Okay, we have this little sleeve over here highlighting the Oneplus community and how they played a big role in developing this phone. Okay, so in the box we finally have a little leaflet thing here. Just open it up and you do get a silicone case in the box, which is nice to see. There's another little sleeve over here which has a bunch of other things. Let's quickly take a look at this. We have a OnePlus, some stickers, warranty information. We have some another marketing message over here and the SIM eject tool. Finally, next up is the phone itself. We'll take a quick look at this in just a moment. Let's see what else we have inside. Some welcome pamphlet. We have the Warp charger. So this is the Warp charger 30. And here we should have the data cable. Yeah, so this is the USB Type-C cable. And like always, there aren't any earphones or a headset in the box. That's pretty much it.
This is a professional gym ball. This is also a professional gym ball. This is also a professional gym ball. And this too. Only it can fit in a smartphone. It counteracts shaking by delivering mechanical motion compensation via electromagnetic induction. The sophisticated double ball suspension design leads to flexible 3D stabilization, so X50 Pro always produces superb photos and stable videos. Feel free to take pictures while jogging at night. Superb clarity awaits, even around the edges, when there's so many lights at night fighting for attention. Their AI segmentation algorithm helps every night shot stand out. Background too bright? Simply balance it.
Nice.
Go somewhere darker, perhaps under a starry sky, or go somewhere even darker than that. Good night. See you tomorrow. Other than superb night camera, this gym ball has Pro Sports Mode fully covered too. So make use of this gym ball. Shoot whatever you like, whether you are standing still or moving around. Wait a second. You think it's all about the gym ball? You also get a 360-degree photography system. The 60 times hyper zoom adds awesome clarity to already fantastic stability. Whether you are in range or not, the focus remains unwavering. Tracking focus has never been easier.
Can you really track anything?
Yes, anything, including you. Photography redefined with X50 series.